guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna have a review. And this is the Miniso Makeup. Actually, meron akong apat na i-review today. I have the brow pen, I have the eyeliner pen, I have a BB cream, and also I have their loose powder. Ang presyo nito, itong eyebrows, will cost you 99 pesos. Also, this eyeliner is 99 pesos. The BB cream is also 99 pesos. Ito lang yung pinaka-expensive sa kanila, the loose powder. And then also guys, itong loose powder, ginamit ko na siya in advance. Because I wanted to check it out kung maganda ba siya with no base on or moisturizer lang. And then ito lang ang gagamitin, okay na siya. Ito siya. We're gonna apply this. Ang color pala nakuha ko, actually wala silang color. One color lang, one shade. And I'm gonna use my hands first before anything else. Kung i-compare dito sa side na to, medyo it's really blooming. Yung mga blemishes ko, kita pa rin. So, andun pa rin siya, like may redness here, yung namumuo kong habagat dito. I'm sorry for the finger, nagpinturo ako kahapon. Little dewy, as you can see, nagre-reflect sa camera yung aking, yung kanyang shine. Pero, yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna apply it on the rest of my face. Overly white. I'm just gonna blend this with a blender para medyo mag-blend siya sa aking skin. Medyo na-emphasize niyo yung aking pores lalo kasi nagsusumigaw yan ngayon kasi nga it's the time of the month. And also yung aking lalong nagsisigaw yung mga habagat ko sa aking mukha nung in-apply ko tong BB cream na to. And medyo parang meron akong mainit na nararamdaman sa mukha ko, guys. I'm gonna set with their loose powder. Pag binuksan nyo to, it comes with a sponge right here. And then meron siyang filter. And then, yun na, basically. So, I'm just gonna set this BB cream on my face. Lagay tayo ng mga stars sa aking mukha. I'm gonna spread this on my face. Medyo sticky pa rin siya. Kita nyo ba? The finish of this BB cream and plus the powder, medyo cakey siya tingnan, as in very cakey. Hopefully walang allergic reaction to. Kasi I have a very weird feeling about this product. Anyway, let's continue on. I'm gonna use their Brow Lash FX24 Perfect Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil. So, it comes with two sides, yung kanyang product, and then yung kanyang brush. Maganda to yung ganito kasi very compact na to. Isang brush na lang, or isang product na lang ang gagawin, ang dadalhin nyo, and dalawa na. So, I got the shade gray. I'm just gonna... Namumuo na yung aking BB cream. Bakit ganun? Yung choice ng color nito, this is my choice. So, hindi natin pagbabasihan yung option kong yun o yung choice kong yun. It fills up really well. Kaya lang medyo makapal yung tip niya. Yan, triangular. I'm just gonna clean this up. Kasi nga, medyo makapal yung kanyang tip. Kaya kailangan nyo linisin. Now, I'm gonna do the other brow. Let's compare it. Gusto ko siyang i-compare sa aking favorite eyebrow pencil, which is the EV Advance. So, ito yung EV Advance. Ganyan yung color payoff niya. In one glide. And this is the Miniso in one glide. So, in pigmentation-wise, okay sila parehas. One glide lang without, you know, harassing yung pagkakalagay nyo. Okay siya. Parehong okay. Eyeliner pen. Pag binuksan nyo to, alam nyo, ang ganda-ganda ng tip na to kasi very thin ang tip niya. This is the tiniest felt tip I ever seen in my life. Go close up. Nung nag-curler na ako ng aking lash, ayan o, may transfer siya. It's now 10:58 ng umaga and I'm done putting on my makeup, and so far, yun lang ang napansin ko with the eyeliner and the powder. It's still the same. Medyo cakey ang effect niya. And also, my pores are grabe. May mga yung mga makeup kasi na gusto ko, yung medyo nag-blur ng pores eh. Ito talagang overly seen. Talagang na-emphasize niya yung pores ko. And yung aking mga, alam nyo na, namumundok, medyo na-emphasize niya at all. Yeah. So basically, and eto, may namumuo akong mga parang rashes, mini rashes in this area. I don't know if it's the product or kanina ko pa yan. Pero kanina wala yan eh. Now, meron lumalabas. Nakakainis. Anyway, I'm done putting on my makeup. I will update you guys later on for an update. It's now 3:27. So, it's been 5 hours since I applied the product. And I think this will be my final update kasi hindi ko na kaya talaga. As you can see, super oily na ako. At the same time, guys, dumami na ang aking rashes on my face. Ayan, oh. So, I cannot take it anymore. Hindi na kaya ng mukha ko tong BB cream na to. So, that's basically it. I'm gonna wash my face after this video. But, I would like to update you guys of what happened. Sa BB cream, guys, as you can see, in 5 hours, actually, mga 3 hours time, nag-build up na yung oil sa face ko. I'm gonna blot para lang makita natin yung ano. Ito na yung lumabas sa face ko. So, absolutely, if gagamitin to ng mga oily skin, please do not kasi talagang super oily siya. At the same time, for those who have sensitive skin, I don't recommend this kasi as you can see, I have a reaction sa BB cream na to. And so, totally guys, I will not recommend this BB cream kasi you might have a reaction with it. Regarding naman sa aking ang tag dito, kilay, wala na siya. Ayan o, as you can see, wala na. Totally a meltdown. Let's go close up as well. As you can see, kanina gumawa ako ng wing line. And ngayon, wala na siya. Ayan o. Wala na talaga. Wala na. So, powder, ma-recommend ko yung powder kasi I've been using this powder for about 2 weeks now and absolutely, I super love it. This is a good powder to set. And again, this is only 299 pesos that you can use. And yun. But aside from that, etong tatlong to, I absolutely hindi ko ma-recommend sa inyo, guys. The eyeliner is not waterproof, not anything. Kasi isang swipe nyo lang, mawawala na siya. Absolutely. The brow pencil, wala na siya ngayon. Parang wala na nga akong kilay eh. Wala na siya. And the BB cream, eto nga, nagka-allergy ako. So, with this 4 product, I would suggest this one for you guys to use. I'm so sorry guys kasi talagang ano na siya, nagbutlig-butlig na yung mukha ko and ayoko naman lumala pa siya. So basically guys, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't followed me in my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, please do see my description box. Andun sila lahat. And what else? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and be part of my family. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye! I'll see you guys soon.